What up, people? It's your boy Ron Hornets. Mr. TMG is coming on here to give you a quick update about Wowtv. So I want to first of all thank you for being faithful, supporting us, and I hope you're enjoying the product just as much as we love giving it to you. Now, there has been a short-term setback, but I still have a solution. So let's not focus on the problem. Let's focus on the solution. A lot of you guys are missing movies or series. So today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to install a movie and series alternative. So I'm going to walk through it step by step. This video hasn't been edited. It's me getting to you as soon as possible so you can get the movies and the series that you want starting today. So I'm going to jump right into it. So right now I'm on the home screen of the Fire Stick. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this home page. There's the Wowtv app. But we're not going to go in there today. The first thing we're going to go back to is we're going to go into your apps and channels. Now, when you go to your apps and channels, you want to click See All. Why? Because you're looking for a specific app. Now, the app that we're looking for today is the app called Downloader. If I install this for you or you followed the previous tutorial video, then Downloader is still on your app. So scroll down to the apps until you find this orange icon app called Downloader. I want you to click on it. Now, when you open it up, it may ask you to update it. You can update it later or you can do it now. It's totally up to you. But the first thing I want you to do is go to the part where you have to enter the URL. When you go to the part to enter the URL, I want you to hit the delete button, right? Which is this button on the remote control, the delete button, and take everything out of there. And I'm going to give you the URL that you need to type in. The URL is Troy Point, TROYPOINT. TroyPoint.com /cinema. And so you got troypoint.com /cinema. Again, troypoint.com /cinema. And then when you hit that, type that in, I want you to go down to the play pause button that says go, then select the middle button on the remote control. When you do that, it's going to immediately start downloading the content that you need. So it should take a couple seconds to download, depends on the speed of your internet. It's going to pop up. So then I want you to scroll down with your remote control like you're strolling down. You have to see cancel or install. I want you to highlight the install button and click install. It's now going to install the movies and the series app. Give it a couple seconds. Now this again is an alternative until we get the movie server back up, but this has way more movies and way more series. So for the short time, you'll be working two apps. You have the Wowtv app for your live TV, your pay-per-views, HBO, Cinemax, Stars, Showtime, all your sports, all your live stuff. But when it comes to the movies and when it comes to the series, this is the app that you're going to actually use. I think a lot of you guys will enjoy the platform. So instead of hitting open, I will hit done. When I hit done, I'm going to delete that file so I can free up some space on my Fire Stick, and I'm going to click delete. Now, I'm going to go back up to the URL link where I typed up at. You see, I'm on go, and I go up back to the URL. When I pull it up, I select the middle button of the remote control to pull that URL back up. Now, I'm going to delete not the entire URL. I'm only going to delete the word cinema. When I delete the word cinema, I'm going to then retype behind it MX. So it should be http://troypoint.com /MX. The moment I have that URL inside of it, I go back to the bottom where it says go, then I hit the center button again. This is going to be installing the second portion of the app, so the movies will actually play for you. So it usually takes about a couple seconds for it to actually upload. Again, that depends on your internet. And then when this uploads, I'm going to follow the previous step that I did before, which was delete the space on the app, but that's after I install it. So I can go down, scroll down, go to install, select the center button to actually install it. While it's installing, I'm waiting. And then in a separate video, I'm going to go over with you how to use the app. But the first thing I want to go over with you in this video is how to install it so you can get your movies and your series like now. And remember, you can always refresh your Fire Stick. As long as your internet is good, then you shouldn't have any problems with finding the links. That is loading up. All right, now we are all done. Here I'm going to hit the done button once again, and then I'm going to follow the previous step that I told you. Hit the delete button, and what I'm doing is removing the contents from that app, the file off of my Fire Stick so I can have space. So now I want to hit the home button on the remote control of the Fire Stick, and the home button is going to take me back to the home, right? Now, where's the app that we just downloaded? That's a great question. So instead of going to recent, I want you to go down to your apps and channels. You go down by just clicking the button on your Fire Stick down. And then you want to go over to see all apps. Once you click see all apps, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the app that says Cinema Free. Now, on the remote controls, there's three little buttons right there. That's the three little buttons. I want you to hit that button right there. And then you'll see an option to move to front. Click move to front, and then it's going to move the Cinema app to the front. Now, I want the Cinema app as well as my Wowtv app to be close to each other, because those are the apps I'm going to use the most. But for this video, we're going to focus on Cinema. So, when I log in, bam! Welcome to Cinema! Right? So I got to stroll down and go over the disclaimer, hit accept, and stroll down and hit OK. The moment I got that, bam! You got your most popular series already there, ready to watch, ready to go. Whichever series that you're into, you can kick it off and go. And if you're a blacklister like I am, you just go right to blacklist. Choose the season that you want to watch. The most recent one came out in October. Choose the episode, stroll down to it, hit the center button of the remote control. It's then going to find a link for you to watch. Go to that link, or it'll find any link that you can watch that show with. Go to the one you want to watch, and then you can simply click the button. Click play. And then within seconds, you'll see that series or that show popping up where you're actually watching the series of that show. Now, again, how fast it shows up is according to your internet. If you have really good internet, mine's not the greatest, but it works, right? It'll pop right up for you. Now, if you experience this, which happens often or sometimes, where it doesn't pop up, that just meant it wasn't a good link. You just go back. Go to another link, press play, and bam. Just like that, it pops right up. So I also wanted to show you what to do to get to your series, but I'm gonna go back. Since now we see that it works, I'm going all the way back. Now you're like, Ron, that is series. Yes, that's where are my movies. So I don't know if you can see the little icon at the top here where you see it's on highlighted there, but then I'm gonna bring it over here. Then I'm gonna hit the center button of the remote control when these three little lines are highlighted. That's gonna give me the options for TV shows and movies. When I click movies, right now, Christmas movies pop up because this is the time of the holiday. But I'm gonna go right over to where this little down arrow button is highlighted. And when I click most popular movies, I can choose it by the genre. I can choose it by new HD releases. If I'm looking for crime, if I'm looking for action. For now, I'm just going to choose popular. What's popular right now? And these are the things that are popular right now. You got The Irishman, you got Rambo, you got Joker, Jumanji, you know. So you can choose whichever type of movie you want to watch, and you can go from there. So I'll choose, let's see, Hustlers. Right? Go to it. Same deal. It'll give you the option to watch the trailer. And then as it's loading up, it'll give you the option for streams that you can watch Hustlers on. Remember, it's all about choosing the right one. If one doesn't work, just go back and choose the next one. So while that's loading up, that's pretty much it when it comes to how to install. It was a pretty simple move. If you have any questions, you can text me, reach out to me. You guys know how to reach me. Thank you for paying attention. I thank you for your patience and supporting the app, Wowtv. We definitely appreciate you. We got more updates coming soon, but in the meantime, here's a great alternative that you can use for your series and your movies. Thank you. Till next time.